Good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Koteshwar Rao, Faculty of Geography, having 15 years experience. Today, we are going to discuss about transportation topic, subject geography, most important subject any competitive exam, topic transportation, most important subject geography, topic transportation. Previous any competitive exam most important questions covered civil services and group 1, group 2, SI and constable and RRB. Transportation 4 types. Number 1, air transportation, rail transportation, water transportation and road transportation. Transportation means transportation is the movement of human and goods from one location to other location. Worldwide most transportation 4 types: air transportation, rail transportation, water transportation, road transportation. First transportation, discuss first topic, air transportation. Any competitive exam, this topic minimum 2 marks, maximum 4 marks. 2008 essay exam, total transportation 3 questions and most important minimum 2 marks and maximum 4 marks. Air transportation, first topic. 4 topics. First topic, air transportation. Transportation 4 types. First transportation, air transportation discuss today. Air transportation worldwide. America is the first place in the world air transportation based on the passengers. America is in the first place in the world air transportation, number 1 country. Number 2 country, number 1 USA, air transportation first place. Second place China. Based on passengers 2020 current affairs importance, India rank 5th rank. Air transportation based on passengers, India rank 5th place. Worldwide air transportation first started country America. USA, United States of America. Worldwide air transportation first started country. One important brothers, Wright brothers. Aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers on December 17th, 1903. Any competitive exam most important year, worldwide aeroplane invented by Wright brothers, December 17th, 1903. And other important 1903 relation, one important relation, worldwide Nobel Award winner, first woman, Madame Curie, Nobel Award winner, 1903, country Poland. Category physics, Madame Curie. 1903, another important relation worldwide, Nobel Award winner, Madame Curie, 1903, first woman, country Poland, physics category. And other important relation worldwide, first air transportation started here, 1903, December 17, country America. And India, air transportation, first India-wise air transportation, the first commercial civil aviation flight India-wise started 1911. 1911 year, first India-wise air transportation started here on 18th February 1911. India-wise first air transportation started here 1911, February 18. First air transportation started place India wise Allahabad. Allahabad to Naini distance 9.7 kilometers. India wise first air transportation started year 1911, 18th February. First place Allahabad and Naini distance 9.7 kilometers. Worldwise air transportation first country USA 1903 and India wise air transportation 1911. And 1911 year relations, one of the most important year in competitive exams. One important relation 1911 year, Indian first capital city Kolkata to New Delhi changed year 1911 in December 12th. Same year, Madame Curie second time Nobel Award winner 1911. Worldwide two times Nobel Award winner, first woman or first person Madame Curie. 1903 physics, 1911 chemistry. Important relation 1911. Okay, and India wise first air transportation started here. This transportation India supporting local kings Bikaner Maharaja Rajasthan, Patiala Maharaja Punjab and Mir Usman Ali Khan Hyderabad Nizam king. India was supporting most important persons Indian air transportation. And first Indian pilot name, one of the most important business person J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata first Indian pilot, licensed year Indian person first person 1928. Indian first Indian pilot J.R.D. Tata, one of the most important business person year 1928. And other important 1928 relation, one of the most important organization, sports organization BCCI established here. One important year 1928, other important relation any competitive exam, other important BCCI Board of Control Cricket for India established. Previous question essay exam 2008, 1928 airport of Mumbai. And second, television invented J.L. Bell and 1929 England. One of the most important year 1928 first Indian pilot J.R.D. Tata. And other important 1928 relations, one of the most important competition 2008 essay exam previous question BCCI established year 1928. And other important 1928 relation, television discovered person J.L. Bell 1928. First Indian air organization started year 1931, started by J.R.D. Tata, established year 1931. J.R.D. Tata, name Tata Airlines. First Indian private air organization name J.R.D. Tata, established Tata Airlines in 1931. Other important Indian cinema history, first Indian talkie film Alam Ara released year 1931 and same year J.R.D. Tata. Okay, first Indian private air organization established year 1931 J.R.D. Tata, Tata Airlines. And after freedom, Indian central government first Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. India wise first all private air organizations nationalized year. Previous question 2011 group 2 exam question. India wise all private air organizations nationalized year 1953 year. Most important year 1953. India wise all private air organizations established nationalized year 1953 and established Air India and Indian Airlines. Air India and Indian Airlines established here. Previous question group 2 exam 1953. First central government nationalized all private air organizations nationalized year 1953 and established Air India and Indian Airlines. Next importance 2011 year established central government one new air national organization? Indian. Present air organization, national air organization name Indian. 2011 year, new name announced central government. This Muscat received place Konark Sun Temple. Muscat name Ashoka Vale. Ashoka Vale received place Konark Sun Temple, Odisha. Most important present Indian national air organization name Indian. Established year or announced year central government 2011. Okay, received place one of the most important Muscat name Ashoka Vale, Konark Sun Temple, Odisha. Present 2020 December ending. Total Indian airports 437 airports. And central government official announced 34 airports, international airports. Present Indian total airports, domestic airports 437 total, and 34 airports, international airports. Present India wise 13 international airports. And exam point of any competitive exam, most important these airports names and other importance. And importance 18 international airports. And other one previous question 2008 essay exam 4 international airports and old names and new names match the followings. And 34 international airports, and most of the international airports competitive exam, any competitive exam 18 international airports names and other importance. And first one, previous question essay exam and groups exam. First city name New Delhi. International airport name Indira Gandhi International Airport. Indira Gandhi International Airport. New Delhi city. International airport name Indira Gandhi International Airport. Old name previous question Palam. Previous question old name Indira Gandhi International Airport Palam. This airport other important current affairs. Present India wise most busiest international airport India wise number 1 New Delhi. India wise busiest international airport New Delhi number 1. And other important question India wise biggest international airport New Delhi. India wise biggest international airport New Delhi and busiest international airport New Delhi. And world wise most important any competitive exam current affairs. Present world wise busiest international airport name Dubai. Dubai International Airport world wise most busiest international airport UAE country. UAE country. And other important world wise biggest international airport located Saudi Arabia country King Abdul Khalid International Airport Jeddah, Saudi Arabia country. Worldwide biggest international airport Jeddah, named King Abdul Khalid International Airport, Saudi Arabia. And worldwide most busiest international airport present 2020 ending current affairs Dubai International Airport, Dubai city, UAE country. India wise busiest and biggest international airport Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. World biggest international airport New Delhi 5th rank. First one. And second one Mumbai. Second one Mumbai. Name international airport name Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. Old name Sahara International Airport. This airport other important. India was second busiest and second biggest international airport present. India was second biggest and second busiest international airport Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Old name Sahara. Old names most important any competitive exam. Next importance current affairs. Recent worldwide highest height statue name Statue of Unity. This statue located Kewadia, Gujarat, one of the island Narmada River. Height 182 meters. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue located Gujarat. This statue worldwide present highest height statue. Recently Maharashtra government foundation worldwide highest height statue name Chhatrapati Shivaji statue foundation. Not opening, only foundation. Distance height 212 meters. Place Mumbai, nearest Arabian Sea island. 212 meters. Okay. Akkada names important Chhatrapati Shivaji and other important related. Worldwide highest height statue started Maharashtra government foundation. Recently work started. Company name L&T. Height Shivaji Chhatrapati Shivaji height 212 meters and Mumbai located area Arabian Sea one of the island. Next third one Kolkata. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport Kolkata. Old name Dum Dum. Old name Dum Dum. This international airport, Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, old name Dum Dum. Other important, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose slogans, previous question, essay exam 2009. Chalo Dili and Jai Hind. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, other important. One of the most important freedom fighter, important slogans, Jai Hind and Chalo Dili, and founder of Azad Hind Fauj, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, international airport, Kolkata, old name Dum Dum. Next one, Chennai. Annadurai International Airport. Annadurai International Airport, old name Meenambakam. Chennai. Okay na? Annadurai, old name Meenambakam. Okay, other important, Annadurai, after freedom, first Indian local party name DMK. After freedom, first Indian local party name DMK. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Established person Annadurai. Established year 1949. Annadurai established in a first local party name after freedom DMK. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Established person Annadurai. Established year 1949. Chennai. First four important international airports and old names. New Delhi, Indira Gandhi, new name, old name Palam. Mumbai, new name Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, old name Sahara. Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, new name and old name Dum Dum. And Chennai, new name Annadurai International Airport, old name Meenambakam. And fifth one, international airport, India is most important. Previous question, 2008 essay exam, 2012 essay exam, and 2011 group 2, group 1 exam. Previous question, one of the most important international airport, Hyderabad. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Present area, Shamshabad area, Hyderabad. Other important, Hyderabad, India was first established private international airport. First international airport, private international airport, established organization GMR, Grandhi Mallikarjun Rao Construction Company. India by first established private international airport, Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, established company name GMR, Grandhi Mallikarjun Rao Construction Company, opening 2008. And second one, Greenfield Authority, American Authority, one of the best international airport in India. First one, Hyderabad. Announced year 2009 year. Hyderabad. Next important, sixth one, Bengaluru. Bengaluru, Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru. Old name Devana Ille. Old name Devana Ille, Bengaluru. Next one, Kochi. Kochi International Airport name Nedumbassery. Nedumbassery International Airport, Kochi, Kerala. Another important current affairs. India buys first solar electricity used international airport, Kochi, Nedumbassery. India buys first solar electricity, okay na, used first international airport, Kochi, name Nedumbassery, Kerala. Another one, Kerala, 3 international airports. Kannur, same name, Kannur, Kerala. International airport, Kannur. Another important, Trivandrum, same name, Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, Kerala. 3 important airports in Kerala, international airport, Kochi, Kannur and Trivandrum. Importance. Next one, 10th one, Nagpur. Nagpur Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Airport, Maharashtra. Next one, Goa. Dambolin. Goa International Airport, name Dambolin, old name Vasco da Gama International Airport, Dambolin, Goa. Next one, Ahmedabad. Sardar Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad. Recently current affairs, worldwide biggest cricket stadium, Narendra Modi cricket stadium in Motera, Ahmedabad. First international test cricket match 2021 February 24th, India versus England. Worldwide biggest international cricket stadium in Ahmedabad, name Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium, Motera. Sitting capacity 110,000 members. This stadium crossed worldwide biggest cricket stadium, Melbourne Cricket Club Stadium. Next one, Kanpur. Same name, Kanpur International Airport. Kanpur. Next one, Varanasi. One of the most important temple city, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Another important industry, Railway Diesel Engine Man-Made Center in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport. Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Next one, Port Blair, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Veer Savarkar International Airport. One of the most important poet, freedom fighter, Veer Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair, Andaman Nicobar Islands. One of the most important Andaman Nicobar Islands, international airport name Veer Savarkar, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Next one, Jaipur. Sangameshwara International Airport, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Jaipur, Sangameshwara International Airport, Rajasthan, Jaipur. And 17th, Amritsar, one of the golden temple city, Amritsar, Rajasthani International Airport. Rajasthani International Airport, Amritsar. Okay, next importance. Srinagar. Srinagar International Airport, Jammu Kashmir. Total important 18. Recently announced the total international airport 34. One of the most important competition exam, most important airports international and names. Recently one important competition exam, NTPC exam RRB, one important question, Australian country National Air Organization name. Most important 10 important countries National Air Organization names. One of the most important, America, Pan America International Airways and Trans America International Airways. Number 2, Russia, Aeroplat. Russia name Aeroplat. And Indonesia, Garuda International Airport. Indonesia Air Organization name Garuda International Airport. Garuda International Airways, Indonesia country. And Germany, Lufthansa. Germany, Lufthansa. India, Indian. India, Indian. One of the most important, British, England, British Airways. Netherlands, Royal Dutch Airways. Netherlands, Royal Dutch Airways. UAE, United Arab Emirates. Emirates Airways, one of the most important airways. Recently one important current affairs, India wise first woman pilot name Durga Banerjee, 1956 year. First Indian woman pilot name Durga Banerjee, 1956 year. And first Indian war pilot woman pilot name Avani Chaturvedi. Okay, importance. Okay, thank you.